corner in, the corner in! Oh, boys, what the fuck is going on? It doesn't even sound, it doesn't sound chavvy. That's the thing though, it actually doesn't even fucking, that corner, bro. It doesn't even sound chavvy. It actually sounds like this car is supposed to come with it. Like literally, what the fuck? I'm gonna burn so much petrol, bro. Boys! Oh my days. Boys, girls, women, gonna start queefing, boys. I'm telling you, when I pull up, I'm gonna be like this, bruv. Watch, I'm gonna pull up like this. Ooh! Ooh! Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Are you dumb?
Shush.
Oh my days, bruv. This is the best purchase I've done in 10 years, bruv. I'm telling you, what the fuck? My car's so slow, but the fucking sound, bruv, is literally orgasmic. What the fuck? But I want it louder. Is that weird, bruv? I can't lie. Is that weird? I want louder, bruv. Oh my days, I need it louder, bro. I need it louder. It's loud, but it could be louder. And that's what I want. Oh my days, bro. Nah. I'm gonna pull up to my boy's yard, bro. Fuck it.
Sorry, it's gonna go stop.
Bombasted! You can hear my air filter so much more. Like it's I can hear that. What the fuck? It's like that wasn't like that before. Like, ooh, boys, that is something, man. Oh, ooh, boys, this is mad. I can't lie, this is mad. I want to know what you guys think. Go in the comment section and tell me what you think. Is it a bit cringe? Is it actually not bad? Because like, you can put an exhaust on a Corsa and it can sound shit. Oh my days! Bruv, it sounds perfect! It genuinely sounds, I'm gonna fuck my engine up. I know I am. But it sounds perfect. I haven't driven my Corsa in time, but I'm a bit rusty, but fuck you know. Corner in! Traction control! Traction control! Are you dumb? Are you dumb? You're not dumb! Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Bro, are you dumb? Are you done? Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Man's got a fucking T. Bro, this isn't, bro, it's an R8, bro. It's got a V10. This car's got a V10. I'm telling you, it's a V10, bro. Oh my days, I'm loving it. I'm happy. I can't lie. It's gassing me a bit. I can't lie. Bro, I've been bored of this car, bro. I can't lie, I've been bored of this car for a while. This has livened it up. I knew getting some new sounds to this car will liven it up. I was right. I was right, bro. It's livened this car up. I feel like I built a new connection with it. I kind of want to just like kind of bend this car over in the nicest way possible, bro. Just fucking straight up, bro. This car deserves to get bent over. Like usually you bend over a girl, I'm gonna be bending over this. I can't say that shit, bro. Get ready, I'm pulling up, huh? Get ready, I'm pulling up. I'm 2 minutes away.
Why the fuck would you call me when you're 2 minutes away?
Bow! Hit the car. We're gonna go for it. We're gonna launch it, guys. We're gonna launch it. 3, you ready for this? We're gonna launch it, yeah?
3, 2.
I'm not launching it. No,
You
because
have to
I
do
don't
that?
want to ruin my clutch. Because I just don't
Oh.
trust this car. And I just don't trust it. I feel like this car is just one of them. I don't know, something about it I don't trust, bro. I feel like it's on the brink of breaking. That's what I feel
What
like.
the fuck? What?
Yes, I don't know what it is. There's
You've never
something.
had to change anything, so what are you talking about?
Oh my god.
So this guy has it, look, and you could have went down.
Because he was gonna.
Because he had his.
And he didn't even. And I would have.
Careful!
And
Sorry.
you're so. You're like my mom.
I didn't know,
I can, literally, when I'm drivers in general, you're aware, even though you don't acknowledge it, you're aware that people are there. That's just how it is. I wish this car was fast, bro. I'm telling you, when I get a fast car, I'm gonna recreate this, and you're gonna shit. I'm gonna be You're not tired. Don't get in the car. I said, oh hello, who's that?
Scream with it, like, who?
Sitting there on the right. In your ends! What the fuck is going on, bruv? Do you wanna pull up?
Oh, pull up, chat to that, bruv.
I'll spin this round.
You're gonna chat to her.
Look at that.
Oh, the hell!
Serious, bloody. You dumb. Serious. Where's that thing?
Keep going, I think she might have turned into road dust blocked off. Yeah, she probably did, though. What the fuck is she? Smell that clutch burning, man.
Exactly what I want to smell. What's this guy doing, bro? Did she?
Might as well pull up there, bro.
You're not gonna chat. Well, none of us gonna chat to her. That's the thing.
No, you're not gonna chat to her.
Chat to her. No, you fucking don't, lad.
Oh,
Not right now. It's not right now. I'm not feeling excited to chat to them. That's what it is.
Mum's laugh.
What I'm saying, do not get in the car with me when I get a fast car time. That's one advice I'll give you.
Is it best?
Listen, any girl, is it this left? Right, or no?
No, keep going straight.
Any girl that's watching, I want a man that drives. I want slops while I'm driving.
What? Oh, I thought you said you want a
Is this
man
one
that
not?
drives.
No, I said if you want a man, fuck you, bro. You already fucked the snap up, bro. You bastard. Man, come and fuck the setup, like you dumb. Tell me what right it is, by the way. I wanna miss it. How tight that road is, fucking hell. Yeah, I'm gonna skid it. If I had a rear wheel drive, that car, the M3 that I showed you earlier, that's a rear wheel drive, that would skid if you fucking do a mad turn like that. Skid, bro.
That's not gonna be drive.
When I get my wheel, what, this one?
That's not gonna be drive.
My car?
Huh?
You don't like to handle my car.
So
Okay,
sexy,
cool.
bro.
Without looking at it, you've already looked, you've stopped looking at
Okay,
it.
mum's life.
Okay, what car is it?
I think it's the Q. That looks like the Q. I haven't looked at Mum's life. I think it's the Q. It looks like I think it's the Q8, but it looks a different shape. It looks like it's newer than the ones that I've seen. Is it Q8?
Can't even
QS?
Q8.
Yeah, Q8. Q8.
SQ8.
See, that's what I'm
Yeah,
saying. It's
SQ8,
S.
SQ8.
See, that's
2019 plate.
That's what I'm saying. It's SQ8. The
Got it right.
ones I usually say is Q8, but that one looks like a mad shape. Like.
I thought this guy would have said something. I thought it was a Q3 from far.
No, not that.
Because I don't really know. I don't
Q3s are smaller.
look at big
Leg
cars.
no.
Woohoo!
Difference.
When you're a car guy, you gotta understand cars, you understand body roll, traction. I'm trying pure shit out of my ass, bro. It's the most shit I've already spoken all year. Wait, guys, he wants to drive my car real quick, so let's just assess his driving. We'll give it a rating out of 10.
Sorry, it's because I got my stuff.
Boom! Man stalled! Man stalled my whip, bro. Oh, that sounds good. That sounds good, bro. I can't lie.
See, look at you.
I know what to do, but it's just you. I don't
Keep
trust
driving
you.
your fucking car, man. The guy looking at me like I was gonna come in front of him.
That sounds sick, bro. I can't lie. Sounds better than. Careful, time, man. Fucking hell. Ooh. That sounds better. It sounds better from the passenger seat. I don't know why. Ooh, it sounds better from the passenger seat, bro. Yeah. This guy's gonna fuck my car up, bro. Chill, okay, cool. I'm gonna fuck my car
It's
up.
not even in
man.
gear at the moment, bro. Don't worry, bro.
Hey, you revving, bro. Fucking engine, bro. Just not stressing it.
Sorry, it's because I got my stuff.
Bomb stalled!
Sorry, it's because I got my stuff.